everyone. My voice is gone, so sorry for the horrible intro. I've been sick. Playing with Traci Reed's Aflutter collection. So I printed this one twice. This was just on paper. Printed again on cardstock. We are going to be working in the Citrus Twists Life Crafted album, so a traveler's notebook size. And we are documenting Easter. So I'm using these top two. These will save for later. And then I did this collage, but I'll save this one for later, and we're using this narrow one because this will be a full page layout for another video. I'll explain more on the voiceover because hopefully I'm feeling better on the voiceover. Sorry, but I had some energy to scrap, but I'm still sick and it's all in my throat. Thank you for being here, and let's get started. Oh my god, everyone. So I was so sick in that intro, but it hasn't gotten much better. I am now just congested. So this will be just I sound weird and I apologize, but I did do this layout and I wanted to share it. So I printed the new Aflutter collection from Traci Reed. I did explain one's on cardstock with this rainbow weathered wood look, and one's just on paper. And I'm glad I did it this way. Simply because I do use the paper one as the flap for my journaling. So the lighter paper was better to crease. So a lot of the inspiration for this page did come from Traci Reed herself. She did a similar layout when we had our YouTube hop when this collection was first released in the beginning of the month. Except hers was on the opposite page, I believe. And yeah, but like I said, I just loved it so much, especially this TN signature. She calls it with the hearts on it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I did take some of the journaling cards, and I am going to use my circle punches to cut out the center sentiment for both of them. And these will be embellishments for the flap part, which will have the hearts, and then the inside of it too. So the photos that are being scrapped here are just from this recent past Easter weekend. Valentina had a very beautiful dress my mom had got her from, I believe, like TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of the two stores. And we did get a few nice family photos. Both our sets of parents got together. And it was a nice day, and we had a whole little private Easter hunt and everything. So that's some of the journaling, just about being thankful to have both sets of parents, and that Valentina is so loved and spoiled. Let me tell you, this girl got so much treats, so many things. Having two sets of grandparents, I mean, you've hit the jackpot there, right? so so like I said, let's go back to the layout. So I'm putting the longer, I believe it's 2 inches wide, just because it fit perfectly, because she was standing in the pathway when she was doing her egg hunt. So that'll be on the left side of the page, and then I'm just trying to tuck in those two smaller photos that I did on the collage. One is our family photo, and then one's just an actual photo of her, like, actually grabbing like an Easter egg that was in one of my mom's flower pots. Then for the embellishments, these are all the stickers that come, or embellishments, she calls them stickers. For the collection, they're a collection of like the hearts and the flowers that match perfectly with the kit. And I just did them as an edge so that it wasn't such a harsh line on the right side of the photo. And there I am, like I said, used the circle punches and used them as the journaling cards as the embellishments. So one says, I accept the change that happens, or something like that. And then on the top part, let me just grab the layout because I have it right here. The inside says, like a butterfly, I believe in change. And then the other sentiment I grabbed was, every day I am becoming a better version of myself. So really sweet sentiments. I just love the color palette for this one. Very pastel. Reminds me of what Easter and spring usually is anyway. And so even our dresses, like I wore another pastel dress. Miguel wore like a light blue shirt. It was perfect. So hopefully this gives you some inspiration on how to take a large, narrow photo and then couple it with kind of the same layout with two smaller photos. Can really be a simple approach to a traveler's notebook spread.
Okay, that will wrap up this layout. I finished the rest of it off camera, which just included adhering the journaling and adding these hearts as a little bit of a closure. These two will sit as so, and then we'll be able to open it to the journaling. Just typed it up on copy paper and it continued on the paper here as well with the flap. And then that's why these hearts are here as a little bit of a, clip to keep them down a little bit because it is popping up once in a while, which is fine. But overall, beautiful layout. Love the colors, love the yellows and the hearts. This was so fun to put together. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.